In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to download videos directly from YouTube using your web browser. First, open your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, I'll be using Microsoft Edge, but the steps are the same in Google Chrome and most other browsers. Now move to the address bar at the top. Click Sign In. If your Gmail account is already listed, simply select it. Otherwise, enter your email address and password to sign in. After signing in, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click YouTube Studio. This will open your YouTube dashboard. Now look at the left sidebar and click Content. This section contains all the videos you've uploaded to your YouTube channel. Next, locate the video you want to download. Once you've found it, move your mouse over the video. Now click the three-dot menu that appears next to the video. A list of options will open. From the menu, click Download. YouTube will now begin preparing your video for download. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the video. Once the Save As window appears, choose where you want to store the video on your computer. You can save it to your desktop, Downloads folder, or any location you prefer. After selecting a location, click the Save button in the bottom right corner. Your video will now be downloaded and saved to your computer. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.